Hello and welcome back students. So today we are doing the topic antibiotics. So in this video we are going to see how antibiotics were discovered and what are they. So antibiotics are nothing but they are medicines that help to stop infections which are caused by bacteria. So antibiotics हमें bacterial infection से लड़ने में मदद करते हैं and they do this either by killing the bacteria or by stopping them from reproducing. So the word antibiotic itself means anti means against and biotic means bacteria. So antibiotics are the invention of the 20th century, but before that people used to die from simple infections, even from a scratch or even from a simple procedure like dental removal, like tooth removal. But now in the 20th century we have antibiotics and they are a revolution in the field of medicine. They has eradicated diseases like tuberculosis in many parts of the world. So how are antibiotics produced? Antibiotics are produced from a microbial or fungal strain. So in the industry, by the process of fermentation, we take microorganisms or fungus और उनके अंदर जो एंटी माइक्रोबियल कंपाउंड होता है हम उसे ग्रो करते हैं और उसे प्यूरिफाई करते हैं. सो दैट्स हाउ we use antibiotics. So before we move on to the next part of the topic, I want to remind you that this video is brought to you by Logical Earnest channel. So please like and subscribe and press on the bell icon while you are at it. तो अभी आगे देखते हैं एंटीबायोटिक्स को क्लासिफाई कैसे करते हैं. सो एंटीबायोटिक्स आर क्लासिफाइड इनटू टू कैटेगरीज. One of the category is of antibiotics which act against wide variety of bacteria. तो जो बहुत सारे बैक्टीरिया को किल कर सकता है उसे हम कहते हैं ब्रॉड स्पेक्ट्रम एंटीबायोटिक्स. एंड एग्जांपल्स आर एम्पिसिलिन, अमोक्सिसिलिन एंड टेट्रासाइक्लिन. और जब हमें पैथोजन या बैक्टीरिया पता रहता है द डिजीज कॉजिंग एजेंट दैट इज पैथोजन, सो व्हेन वी नो एग्जैक्टली विच बैक्टीरिया इज अफेक्टिंग द बॉडी, सो वी यूज नैरो स्पेक्ट्रम एंटीबायोटिक्स, नैरो स्पेक्ट्रम विच एक्ट अगेंस्ट अ स्मॉल कैटेगरी ऑफ बैक्टीरिया. So let's move on and let's find out how the first antibiotic of the world, that is penicillin, was discovered. So penicillin was discovered by Sir Alexander Fleming in the year 1928. So penicillin, just like many other scientific discoveries, was discovered by accident. So let's hear the story. So Sir Alexander Fleming was a professor of bacteriology at St. Mary's Hospital in London, and he was not good at cleaning his table. Like his table was always messed up with a lot of petri dishes. Petri dishes होती है जिसमें हम बैक्टीरियल कल्चर को ग्रो करते हैं. उसमें हम न्यूट्रिएंट मीटर डालते हैं ग्लास प्लेट में एंड देन वी ग्रो द कल्चर ऑन दैट. सो वन ऑफ द एग्जांपल ऑफ बैक्टीरियल कल्चर लाइक स्टेफिलोकोकाई. So there were many other bacterial cultures that were growing on a table and there were also some fungal strain. So अपने टेबल को बिना क्लीन किए one day Sir Alexander Fleming decided I need a break and let's go for a vacation. So Sir Alexander Fleming went for a vacation. And when he came back, he started cleaning his table, like he started cleaning everything. So as he was cleaning his petri dishes, in one of the petri dishes, Sir Alexander Fleming saw that there is a fungal mold growing. तो उस फंगल मोल्ड के आसपास के सारे बैक्टीरियाज दे आर डेड. Only around the fungal mold the bacteria is dead. So this was a eureka moment. Sir Alexander Fleming thought that something is produced by this fungal mold which is killing the bacteria. So he thought that this thing can be extracted and it can be used to kill other bacteria and used as an bactericidal, bacterial killing agent. So, and as he was captain in the Royal Medical Corps during World War I, so he knew the importance of this discovery. So later on, Sir Alexander was able to purify the culture and it was found out that it was Penicillium notatum. Hence the name came penicillin. Before that, it was just called mold juice. But Alexander Fleming was not a good communicator, so he could not convince many chemists to extract and stabilize the antibacterial compound inside that fungus. तो जो फंगस के अंदर एंटीबैक्टीरियल मेन कंपाउंड था, पेनिसिलियम का जो मेन मेडिसिन थी, it was needed to be extracted and stabilized and made presentable in an injectable form. But he was not able to do that by 1930. But it took almost 10 years. So after 10 years, there were two scientists. One was Sir Howard Florey and Boris Chain. So these two scientists extracted that antibacterial compound from penicillin and conducted experiments in mice. And in the mice, they were able to cure bacterial infections and prove it to the world that this is the antimicrobial compound which can be used to treat infections. And yes, it was just before time during World War II. And the Allied soldiers got the penicillin injections and they were saved from many bacterial infection. To prove this, during World War I, 18% of the soldiers died because of bacterial pneumonia. But during World War II, even less than 1% of the soldiers died. So penicillin changed the lives of the people. It changed the way we treat illnesses, we treat wounds, we treat infections all over the world. And it all started with just a simple vacation and mold juice. Thank you.